The Tappex Generation 3 heat inserter is set to a temperature typically at 10 to 20 degrees C above the melt temperature of the parent material. Position the Tappex insert in the pilot hole of the parent moulding, with the barbs contacting the top edge of the hole. The heat tip is brought down close to the top face of the Tappex Multisert, Microbarb, Dedsert or compression limiter, at which point the damper slows the downward motion of the tip in a controlled manner, to ensure that the heat is sufficiently transferred into the parent material. Once the Tappex insert is installed and the preset depth reached, the installation complete light will illuminate and the installation arm can be released and the moulding removed. A mechanical stop is incorporated to ensure a consistent installation height. The Tappex Generation 3 heat inserter incorporates a hydraulic damper to control the downward movement.